Yes, we'll have the example. Yes,
Yeah.
we'll have the example. Yes?
Yes, adjective masculine and muzakkar.
Masculine, muzakkar, yes.
Now, rajulun jamilun. It's a masculine gender.
Rajulun.
Jamilun. Imratun jamilatun.
We'll see it later on. Rajulun jamilun. This is the masculine, and this is also singular. This is also singular. It comes also in the number, and this is also masculine. This is also masculine. But when the adjectives, when the noun, when the mawsuf is feminine, our adjective, our sifat is also feminine. Our sifat is also feminine. But there is a rule. There is a rule to make the feminine from the masculine adjectives. From the masculine adjectives. For example, this jamilun, it is the masculine adjective. It's the masculine adjective. How it can be converted into feminine adjective? Feminine adjective. See, there is a rule to make it feminine adjective. We have to add this. This is ta marbuta. This is ta marbuta. And this we have to add to this. This will become jamilatun. Jamilatun. We can say now imra'atun jamilatun. Imra'atun jamilatun. Now the rule is, it follows rule. It continues to follow the rule that adjectives follows number. Adjectives follow number, and adjectives follow gender. Two genders are there. One is masculine and one is feminine. And numbers are three there. One is singular and one is dual. Musanna. One is plural. That is jama. That adjectives follow also gender, masculine gender and feminine gender. What is the rule for making masculine gender? There is no rule. All adjectives are masculine. And what's the rule for making feminine gender? We add ta marbuta to make it feminine gender. Now the third case was that it also follows case. It also follows case. What is that case? What is that? Case. There are mainly adjectives also follow case. That was the third point. What case it follows? There are three cases in Arabic language. One is marfu, and one is, this is first, and another is mansub, and third one is majroor. That means these are the three cases, and we have to see the sign of these cases. When we call the case of marfu, then we find dhamma on the last alphabet. This is the shape of dhamma, and if this is the last alphabet, this is called marfu case. And mansub case, when there is fatha, and the majroor case, when there is kasra, Now we have to see how it follows. The rule is this: when mawsuf is in marfu case, its adjective is also in marfu case. When the mawsuf is in majroor case, its adjective is also in majroor case. How? Because there can be preposition, or there can be whenever you add inna. That is something different. That's a different rule. We add also the fatha. We add also the fatha with noun. So you remember that these adjectives, they follow three things. One is number, one is gender, and one is case. Also, there is another thing, that it also follows definiteness. Definiteness. We have to see also that, how it follows definiteness. Now, dear students, how it follows definiteness, and how it make definite. Definite. See, if this is kalam, kalam, and we call it kalamun, and if we add al to it, it becomes al kalam. And we can say now it is in the definite form. This makes it definite. Whenever mawsuf is definite, its adjective is also definite. You remember?
Yes.
So our example will be
al-kalamu al-jamil.
Al-kalamu al-jamil. Another example?
Al-talibu al-mujtahidu.
Al-bintu al-jamilatu. Another example?
Al-talibu al-mujtahidu.
Al-baytu al-kabira. Al-baytu al-kabira.
الطالب الجديد.
Yes, another example.
الرجال.
Very good. الطالبة
المجتهدة.
Very good. مجتهدة. Very good. This is also the example. But you have to remember, whenever we are making the feminine, That means this feminine from masculine. For example, this is Jamilun. This is it is feminine is
Jamilatun.
Jamilatun. But one thing is there, whenever any adjective starts with because there are exceptions. We don't make the plural feminines in a regular form. The plural feminines in a regular form. The example is the colors. Example is
Colors.
If I say hamarun, for example, if I say for example, and it's feminine, it will not be. It will not be like that. It will be. We have to take out.
Humra.
No, we have to take out consonant. We have to take out consonant. For example, we have azrakun. We have azrakun. For example, what will be its feminine?
Zarqa.
We will take out this very consonant because there are two things, two alphabets. One is consonant, one is
Vowel.
vowels. We will take this very consonant out. This will become. Whenever you have to make the exceptional feminines, you will take the consonants out. It will become the feminine. It will become the feminine. And this was the rule. This was the. So our lecture today was about adjectives. Adjectives. We call adjectives sifat. We call adjectives sifat. And it follows the opposite rule as we have the rule in English. We have the rule in English. In English, we have first the noun, and then we have first the adjective. Then we have
Noun.
Adjectives also called the noun qualifier. Noun qualifier. It qualifies the noun. It qualifies the noun. And noun is called qualified by adjective. Qualified by adjective. But in Arabic we have a different rule. We have first the mawsuf, then we have sifat. Then we read about that it follows in three different forms. One is gender, one is
Case.
and one is number. One is number. Then we had some sentences there. What are the sentences for the feminine? What are the sentences for the masculine? So dear students, you can also join me. This was our lecture. We'll end our lecture here because it becomes so boring if we stretch our lecture a bit. Then you can note my address. My address is bukhari.786@gmail.com. You can also download my videos going to YouTube. If you go to YouTube, I will show how you have to download my videos because we have started this course by me and my brother Sajjad. We have started this course only to learn Quran and Hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu. This is our motive. This is the ultimate motive of ours. If you go to Google, then you just write there YouTube. Write there YouTube. When it's YouTube, write there Arabic with Sayyid Haamid. Arabic with Sayyid, and you will have access to all the videos there. Or you can go simply to TubeBD, you can have access there. Or you can note my address, Bukhari Haamid 786@gmail.com, and you can have the conversation with me on Facebook also. This is my address. Please don't neglect to upload your videos and have a conversation with me. Till then, ma'as-salama.
Waalaikumsalam.
Allah salli. Di iltiqai mana ma salama. Tanpa kya hona?